Time you are watching this video, welcome to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. I called out a trade on NZD and also NZD but I posted the NZD signal on my free telegram, as you can see it on the screen. I posted it on my free telegram and is on profit, and we are regaining the loss that we had from BTC before. Let's jump in to the chart. We have been holding this trade for, let me see, 2 weeks now. This NZD I've been holding it for 2 weeks now, and presently we had a break of this zone. You remember the price have been playing on this zone for some time now. Like, we have moved here to the downside, the market went up to this zone, came back here. Like, we have been chopping in this place, the market have been chopping in this place. So we had a break finally from this zone here, as you can see. So we are having a retracement back and a potential sell to the downside. So this is it for NZD. We are still very much bearish, and we just hope the market keep going to our direction as we are expecting. So on a daily, we have a potential head and shoulder pattern on a daily. As you can see, left shoulder, as you can see, we have a left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder on the daily. So we are expecting the market to go very much bearish on NZD. The time I called out this NZD trade, the daily was very much bullish, but now we are very bearish, and we are expecting the market to go down to the downside. The market may even go down to 56,800, somewhere around this point. I expect the market to reach somewhere around this point. So, but this is where I'm taking my profit from. So we are still very much bearish on NZD, and we will just keep holding this trade till we hit our take profit. On the weekly, you know that we just had a break and we are having a retracement. We're having a retracement back to this point. Like, we're having a retracement back to this point before any potential buy or anything is going to happen in the market. But I'm expecting price to go down to 56,800 before we have a buy to the upside. But presently and for now, we are very much bearish on both NZD and NZD, and we are going to hold this trade to our potential take profit. And this will be the first 2 TP after we got bashed with BTC. You know, BTC fucked us up so much. We had some entries that I didn't believe was going to stop out, but we got stopped out. So on BTC USD, we had a movement on BTC USD. We had a movement on BTC USD. We had price came to this point. I was talking about that. Since we didn't have the buys from here. Since we didn't have the buy from here, I talked about the buy from here. So now we are currently on that zone, and we have market created a lower high and a lower low, and then we have a shift of structure here. So before any buys on BTC USD, before any buys occur on BTC USD, we are going to have a potential retracement back to this zone, so we can buy off from this point. I'm thinking of entering this trade because I lost a lot on BTC, which I'm going to love to collect back. So I'm still looking at this trade, and if we have a retracement back to this zone, back to like 86,000, then I'm going to be buying BTC from 86,000, let me say, to $103,000. So that is it for BTC. I'm going to add it to my watch list. And for next week, the trade I'm expecting next week, we have a position on Euro CAD. We have a position on Euro CAD. We have the market very much bearish, and we are expecting the market to go down to 1.63354. As you can see, the daily is very bearish. We have a break or structure here and a retracement. So we are looking out to sell Euro CAD. Our 1 week is also very much bearish. Our daily is pretty much bearish as well. So our 4 hours is also very bearish, but I'm expecting a little bit of a push to this point here, like a rejection from this point. Then we can have an entry from there and then sell to the downside. Another trade I'll be looking out for again is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, we are very much bearish, and we had a sweet rejection candlestick at this point. So presently, let me say on Monday, I will expect to pull back to this zone like this, back, then a potential sell to the downside. So this pair, the pair I'm interested into trade next week. I'm interested in this pair to trade next week: Euro GBP, Euro CAD, and also the pair I'm also holding. But I'm going to take this trade when I have hit my take profit on either NZD CAD or NZD USD. Anyone I close on, I'm going to take my last trade for the month, and I'm going to be choosing either Euro GBP, Euro CAD, or Germany 30. I also have a position on Germany 30. Germany 30, we are expecting the market to go bearish because we have a change of structure on the daily. We are bearish on the daily, and though we are bullish on the weekly, but we are expecting a retracement down to 23,585. On the 4 hours, we are still very much bullish on the 4 hours, but I'm expecting a change of structure here, and then when we have a retracement to this point, I'm going to take the trade to the downside. So any of these trades are very much good to take, but I'm going to be waiting for a high probability entry. Like, I'm going to wait for a good entry before I choose any pair from these 3 pair I have shown. So I'm going to be taking any of these pair, but just one pair next week, either Euro CAD, Euro GBP, or Germany 30, or even BTC. I was also looking at this GBP CHF last night. So this GBP CHF, we are very much bullish, but I'm seeing a bearish momentum. So the only way we can buy this GBP CHF, but I'm not really looking at this GBP CHF. It's just a setup I was doing last night. The only way I can take a buy from here is if I have a push from here, and then the market break out from this point, then we have a retracement from here, then we buy to the upside. But if not so, If not, so we wait for the market to have a change of structure on the daily time frame, and then we have a buy from there. So this is it for my outlook for the week, and also the trade I've been holding last week. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for your time.